Hey first grade, and welcome back to the math guided review section. I have you guys at this angle so you can try to see my counters that I'm working with. So for our first problem, we're going to start with all 12 of them, and if you want to go ahead and lay them out in 2 rows like this. So the problem that I want you guys to try to solve, so we have 12, and I want you to take, just pull down 4 of them. So I want you to write a number sentence that will match this problem. So let me go ahead and give you an example. So we started off with 12 dimes, but we're using it as the 10, so that would be 120. So 120, and then we took away 4, or 40, and then that equals, so let's go ahead and count. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So then this is what it should look like on your paper. Perfect. All right, go ahead and put those dimes back in their place or whatever material you're using. Okay, your next problem, let's go ahead. We're only going to use 8 of them. So take away 4 altogether, and you're starting with 80. So let's go ahead and do 80 and take away, move 3 out of your form. So then the problem will read 80 minus 30 equals. Now let's go ahead and count and see what we have left. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that's what the equation should look like. Now, let's go ahead and review what we would do if if the problem is asking you to fill in your number bond. So remember, you draw your number bond like normal. And we started off with 80. And in one section would be 30. And the other section would have the question mark because that's what we were trying to solve. But let's just say if you had to fill in, you would just fill in that 50. Okay? And then my last review piece I wanted to give you guys, on your paper I want you to write 40 plus 50. Solve using quick tens. So if you remember, I drew it here. If you remember quick tens are just little quick lines. So you would draw 4 and then 5 and ask yourself what that would equal. So you could do, 4 plus 4 is 8, and in our case it would mean 80, and then 1 more would equal 90. All right, guys, that's all I wanted to review today. I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Oh, and if you used money, make sure you wash your hands because money tends to have tons of germs on it. All right, guys, I'll see you Monday. Bye.